Up for sale, 1968 Corvette Convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, a 68 Corvette Convertible, finished in triple black. 327, 350 horse, numbers matching. Muncie 4-speed, numbers matching. Power steering, 4-wheel factory disc brakes, leather seats, and a factory AC car, in addition to side pipes. Of course, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and drive it. So of course we'll start here in the front as always. And I gotta say, it's been about a week since I took the pictures. Snow is coming down a little bit. Of course, I don't want this car to be snowed on by any means. And it's been crappy outside. So finally I get a nice day and it's not less than 10 for once. So let's just start here in the front. I would say in the last few years it was painted. Originally it was a red car. Great color choice, I gotta say. And I feel like most people will agree with that. And show quality. I mean, I'm gonna get real close here. I mean, look how nice this is. We're gonna get some intermittent clouds. I hope the sun comes back out because it looks amazing, of course, in the clouds. It looks just as nice in the sun. It has electronic headlight doors, so they pop up and down beautifully. Of course, you know, when he had it done, new front bumper. And of course, you can see how nice the headlight doors fit. And then look at this hood fitment here. This is exactly how you want it to be. But again, like really get close to the paint. Like it's nice. It's really nice. Side pipes look great. I mean, I wish they were the factory side pipes, but I'm happy they're not the hooker headers. Of course, weight ladder tires with the rally wheels. That's the combination that you want. Let me just show you a little bit more here. I was also waiting too, which is, it works out because it's a factory air car, and I wanted to make sure, you know, either we could get it working or could determine what's not working on it. So I will discuss that when we, of course, you can see a little bit of the buffing compound in here because I want to make sure that this thing is just beautiful. Like no towels touch this thing anymore. The windshield, sunshade. So the windshield was replaced probably when it was painted, so that's nice. Top is really nice as well. And I apologize for not doing the video where I normally do. There's something in the way right now. So I figured I'd just back it out of my unit and knock it out. So let me open the hood. Other than that, a little bit of wind. So here you go. Like I said, 327, 350 horse, numbers matching. HP suffix Henry Paul, which of course decodes out to a 350 horse that came with power steering, air, and a 4-speed. So that's nice to know. So at least you could even say it was a factory power steering car. Of course, manual 4-wheel disc brakes. Disc brakes were 4-wheel standard starting in 1965. Aluminum intake as well, which is nice upgrade. But it's really clean in here. Look at the fan shroud, radiator, control arms look great. It has a brand new wiper motor, but I can't get the wipers to work, so we're missing something along the way. So that's one of the things. So you can see the electronic motors there. Of course, we'll show you that when we fire it up. Even this looks like it's new. So again, something is just not correct. Nice control arm again. The compressor works when you put power on it. But the blower's shorted out, so it's like, it's good. It should, in theory, hold the charge, so then there would be the blower that needs attention. And I know, like, you know, things cost money to fix. I'll gladly work with somebody on that. At least we kind of narrowed it down to what it is. I do actually have to take a picture of the carburetor now that I'm thinking about it. Master cylinder looks like it's pretty new as well. Nice underhood here. You can see newer components here for the unlocking mechanism. I'm not going to fire it up right now just because we're on the incline. So when my dad comes out to do the running and the driving, we'll do that then. Just trying to think here. I'll leave it open for the meantime. door starting here. Driver's side fender as always, and this thing is just, look at my reflection. This is just beautiful. I do have pictures of the case number, the VIN number, and again, there's almost like no blemishes here, so anything that I do see, I will point out. I took pictures of the case number. I have pictures of obviously the serial number on the car, and I have a picture of a little tag that was hanging off. Like this is just nice. Now this is that something? There's a little stone chip right there, a little guy there, a little mini guy there. This panel, this lower rocker panel trim, I guess you would call it, is new as well. And then just look how nice this door fitment is here. This gap lines up nice, and then all the way down. And then the door lines up really nice to that rocker panel. And then again, really nice to the quarter. I mean, the nice fitment on the car. Same time, granted it's smudged. This was replaced, you know, new locks. I like that. Oh, you can see more of the top on this side. It's nice. It looks like it was obviously stored up, so it's not all wrinkled. No rips. Back window's nice. It's a little cloudy, but not yellowed, if that makes sense. But the material's the most important thing. You open it up, again, you got the leather seats. Great choice. And then I do notice here, you know, newer weather stripping. It's nice finish. Nice finish in here. Again, a little bit more buffing compound. Again, I was trying to take real good care of it, but this is nicely done, you know. Made sure not to paint over some of those bolts. Door panel looks really good. Really nice. No cracking in the door panel, you see. Trim tag is in place. I did take a picture of that. And again, I'll step back out and show you one more time here. This was replaced as well. And I apologize, I'm kind of limited on space here. Nice finish in there. And then you look at the seats. Not ripped, they're nice. Maybe an older set of seat belts, but of course it's nice to have the seat belts anyway. I'll zoom out. A little crack in the steering wheel, probably an original steering wheel. It shows 72,390 rounds. Can't comment on that. I believe the engine was rebuilt because the HP suffix is a little worn, so I'm thinking when they were rebuilding and decking it, you know, or attempting not to deck the pad, maybe that was just worn a little bit. So that's something to think about, which of course would be good. Sorry, it's kind of limited here again with space. Dash is nice. Of course, in 68, they didn't have anything there. Gauges look good. We just fixed the tack, which is good. The other gauges appear to all work. I can't comment on the clock. I got to remember the radio. I'd rather not speak without knowing for sure. Manual. Console's nice in here. Again, they redid the carpet, put new floor mats in, which I like. Console looks good. And then get all this back. And then, I gotta put these trays down so you can see. Ignore that. There we go. Nice in here. Again, you know, batteries in here. There's a nice battery shut off as well. One of those terminals like that. A little hard to see. Nice attention to detail though. Obviously the same quality finish on the top deck. And you can't see it here, but the underneath, like when you fold this up, painted beautifully as well. Another thing, you could tell that it was obviously not hard driven since the paint. There's no stone chips here. This is a very susceptible area to it. It just sticks out. Could also be not have it because it could be blocked by the side pipes, which would be good. But again, here, look at that. Let me just see here. Nope, that came off. But now there's a smudge. Couple smudges here, a little buffing compound, but no marks here. And then down here, maybe just the slightest couple stone chips. I mean, that's going to happen. And then I'll show you this chrome bumper here. Yeah, again, nice chrome bumper, a little mark on it, but really, really nice. That one's really nice as well. And then just take a look at this back deck. Excuse me. Okay, just gonna get a little bit of this buffing compound out, but this paint is like slick. Look at the fitment here as well. The lens covers are new in the back. The reverse lights work. Again, nice to see. As you know, there's no holes for a normal dual exhaust, so I like that attention to detail. Yeah, look at that reflection. Little buffing compound. I had a feeling I was going to miss a little bit. Hard to see inside. Yeah, that's nice there. Make it low. Really, really low. I mean, there's like, is it a water spot? Yeah, there's like not even a stone chip down here on this side. And then again, starting here, nice fitment all the way down. You know, exhaust is nice. There's no pitting on it. We didn't have to polish anything. I'll get another newer panel for the rocker trim. Again, this was replaced as well. Nice in there. You know, they didn't paint over the bolts, but this one has a little crack there and a little guy there, but the rest of it's, you know, very nice. Give me a second, let me crack my back. Sorry. Again, a little buffing compound, but nice finish. Replaced. And let me pull this out and I should get a better shot of the leather seat. You see a couple little marks on it, but nice. I mean, there's no rips on the leather seat, and they're not overly wrinkled. Sometimes they get just too wrinkled naturally. And then I'm just having a little trouble keeping this piece of carpet there. If you did that, it'd be super nice. You know, nice under there as well. I apologize for the couple little, you know, things on the carpet. I'm just trying to think if anything else jumps out at me. Again, they did, you know, the weather stripping in here. And again, look how nice this fits up all the way down. Even these were replaced. I mean, there's like almost no blemishes on this car. I bought it from a friend of mine, actually. There's a more buffing compound, my apologies. And I know the kind of cars he likes. So when he sent me pictures, I was like, when you don't want it anymore, I said, you call me first. See, look at this angle here. I mean, really just beautiful paint. But it'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both things will be in the description of this video. So if you want to check it out, let us know. And just here in a few minutes, we're going to fire it up. We're going to back it out, take it for a little drive, and then hop in for the driving. Thank you. Okay. Weather stripping around the hood up here, I noticed. Push it down. Wow. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you on the road.